This might be the biggest transformation you'll see today. Stick around and I'll show you exactly how I turn months of growth into a clean buzz cut with a mid drop fade. To kick things off, I'm shaving everything down. Since his hair is so thick and dense, I'm working with the grain first to remove the bulk without pulling, snagging or irritating the scalp. Once we've taken the length off, we go back over the entire head against the grain. This gives us the closest possible finish and makes sure we don't miss any patches at all. I'm also running the comb with the clipper to lift any loose hairs and catch anything that's hiding. With the shave complete, we'll dry the hair, lightly dampen it, then blow dry everything forward to start training the hair into place before we begin the haircut. Now it's time to establish our guide. I'm using a number 2 guard fully open all the way around the head to remove more weight evenly. After that, I'll close a number 2 guard and repeat the process to refine it further. Before we move into the fade, I always stop for a quick consultation. Now that all the bulk is gone, it's much easier for my client to see the shape of his head and decide exactly how high he wants to go with the fade. Now that we've established the shape of the haircut, it's time to remove the remaining bulk with our trimmers. This clip is from the previous video comparing the Gamma Plus boosted range to the new Alpha clipper, so if you haven't already seen it, check it out after this one and don't forget to subscribe. Next, we'll foil everything out just to create a clean, smooth canvas before we start the fade. I'm opening the lever fully and creating my first guideline, going about half an inch above the skin. Keeping each guideline consistent makes the fade much easier to blend. Next, I'm using my 1.5 guard fully open and taking that up about an inch. Then I'll switch to my number 1 guard, working between the first guideline and then the 1.5. I'll start with the lever open and gradually close it all the way. When using the number 1 guard, focus on blending the 2 guidelines we just created. This is one of the most important steps as it sets you up for a clean and seamless fade. Next, switch to the 0.5 guard, starting with the lever fully open before gradually closing it. Keep your wrist loose and use a flicking motion to avoid creating any harsh guidelines at all. To finish, close the clipper completely with no guard and lightly detail the bottom guideline. Step back, assess the fade from every angle and make any final adjustments until everything is smooth and evenly blended. To finish the haircut, we need a sharp line up to complement that beautiful fade. Take your time here and keep stepping back to check over your work. The goal is perfect symmetry while staying true to your client's natural hairline. Never push it back further than it naturally grows. I always start by setting up the shape with the trimmer, then I follow everything up with the razor to sharpen the edge and give it that crisp finished look. And once you've done that, that's the final result. Months of growth transformed into a clean buzz cut with a mid-skin fade. If you enjoyed this tutorial or learned something new, I'd really appreciate it if you hit the like button and subscribed. It genuinely helps the channel grow so much. Let me know what you'd want to see in the comment section below and what tutorial you'd like to see next. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks guys.